Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it.
Guys, welcome to another week of vlogs. Today is Sunday, September the 15th. I need to be a bit better with starting these vlogs on time. So anyways, I'm about to get do my hair for the week. This week is going to be very busy. We have a lot of events and stuff going on in the city, which is great. I'll probably record a little bit of doing my hair. We're going long and straight. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. If you guys are new here, welcome to my new vlog series. Yeah, this is Traveling TV. Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. My hair looks freaking crazy. You guys saw me do my hair yesterday, but I kind of didn't, I kind of just ran through that. So today I am making some content. It is like 4:45 in the afternoon. I'm making some TikToks today for the week. I'm doing some makeup transitions because I feel like I've been doing my makeup really good. And then I guess it's gonna be a hair transition too because my hair is not done. And then by the end of the video, it will be done. Don't mind all that stuff in the back. I'm trying to like clear out this space so that I can make it super cute. And I guess you guys can sit and watch while I do my makeup. I'm gonna put some music over this part, but I just wanted something to fill this week's vlog. So enjoy this cute little impromptu makeup tutorial. I have finished almost my whole look. This is what we are working with today. I'm gonna let you guys see some of my like BTS from my TikTok. This look was supposed to be like a fall look. I feel like on camera it gives a bit orange, but it's like it's supposed to be like this autumn color. I don't know. I thought it looked cute. I'm going to zhuzh up my hair and then we're gonna film our TikTok.
Two-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at it, gotta watch the time, cause it's fine like butter. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta.
Done filming for today. It's 7 o'clock. Going to take a shower, cook, enjoy my night. This is what a not so typical film day looks like. I was busy like for the first part of the day, and around like 2 o'clock I'll film some content to post throughout the week. So yeah, super fun job, like whatever. Anyways, I have an event tomorrow for Visit Curaçao, and it's at 6, so I'm super excited to go to that. And of course, I'm bringing you guys with me. My bestie's in town, so I will introduce you guys formally to her. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye. Oi. Hi guys, today's Tuesday. We are going to Old Poly to pick out an outfit for this event on Thursday. So we're going to Miami Beach. So we are going to Miami Beach today to pick out an outfit, and I'm bringing you guys along with. So yeah, stay tuned for that.
side. PT, 2-time, baby girl, you know me.
All right, we are done shopping for the day. This is Becca in there trying to hide. We are going to our little event on Thursday, so you guys get to see what we picked. Well, that was really cool. I got some really cute outfits for my event on Thursday. Now I have to, it's 2 o'clock. I have to go home. I have an event at 6 right back here in Miami Beach. So I'm gonna go home, get some lunch. Am I gonna redo my makeup? I don't know, haven't decided yet. But if I do decide to redo my makeup, it's probably gonna be very similar to what I have on. I think I want to wear something like islandy. I'm hoping that the weather stays like okay, it's not raining right now, so I'm thinking something like tropical, like I can wear my little clips from my vacation. I might wear this green outfit that I never got a picture in. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, the fitting went really well and I can't wait to show you guys the event on Thursday. We're going to the Curaçao events. Doing circles because I think we're a bit off. JK, they're doing road work, so we probably have to walk. It's okay. I think it's 6:15. Not too shabby. Yeah, we're excited.
Riders, those speed race. Pop a baby on a bitch face. More ice flexing this way. We put the world on the wave. Don't give a fuck cause I'm paid. More act in a lemonade. Pharmacy knowing my name. I bet that because she bougie. She shot my dick in a movie. Trap jumping like 2-3. She a foreign little free. My bitch was born in the beast. Foreigner. I don't need her. Full of drop top with a eater. Foreigner. 2-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck on my AP. Foreigner. New freezer. I won't think about plans.
Thanks again for coming.
Of course.
Questions. We're doing a giveaway too during the event. So
What's the giveaway?
it's going to be a 3-night stay at either Panuku Aqua Luxury Resort, Panuku Aqua Resort, or Coral Estate Luxury Resort, both in Curaçao. So 3-night stay over there. Just have to ask you a few questions. If you get it wrong, you're out. If you get it, for every question you get right, you get entered into the raffle.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
nope. So this is the capital city of Curaçao, and it also happens to be a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Christoffel, B, Cura Ulanda, C, Williamstad, or D, Douchy.
The capital? Is the airport in the capital?
Yeah. It's
I
not
think
far.
I think it's Williamstad.
Yes.
See? I do my
See?
freaking research.
No overthinking.
Yeah.
Okay, so you get a little raffle ticket.
Yay!
Just put your name. Let me see. Do you have a pen?
Lord Jesus. Let me see if I have one. Please bless this raffle ticket because I've been praying to go to Curaçao.
Yeah.
There we go. That's as good as she gonna get today. Because this is Cam. Bad boy. It's really quick story time. If you do not believe in a higher power or believe in God or Jesus, believe me when I tell you, if you put something into the universe, it will happen, babe. I came to this event saying that we came into this event saying we wanted to get contacts to go to Curaçao because I've been emailing them. They've been ghosting me. Why did I win a raffle and we're going to Curaçao? I had one ticket in there. Y'all saw us do the freaking quiz thing. I was horrible. I had one chance and I won. All praises to the Most High. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna end this vlog today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. We are here at True Leo's office. I'm getting my 4th session of the True Flex, which is the little ab sculpting thing. This is my last session in this series, and so I'm gonna be showing you guys before and after today. Last night was so crazy. yeah, we'll get into that later. I'll probably talk about it when I'm doing my makeup for my event tonight. We have a grand reopening to go to. It's the Marion restaurant in Brickell. They're doing like a grand reopening party, so I'm gonna be going to that. I'm gonna be going to that tonight, so I will bring you guys with me to that as well.
Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, touch it like no other. Don't you tell them what we do.
Hey guys, we are on the way to Marion's grand reopening. I have on a long dress. I'm feeling a little bit better. Earlier today I was under the weather, just cramps, but yeah, it's 7 o'clock and we're gonna be a little bit late, but that's okay.
Starting route.
So today is Thursday. We are going to a cocktail event tonight with Opali. It's going to be at a villa. I can't remember the name of it, but I saw pictures when I went to my styling suite the other day. Very, very nice. So I'm really excited about going. So I'm kind of torn between two different outfits. I'm going to show you guys because I'm doing a TikTok about it as well. So I'm going to just be getting ready, and I'll probably like fast forward through this. We are almost done with this week, and that's crazy to think about, but yeah, it's been an eventful week to say the least. So we're gonna start with makeup, and then I'll take you obviously to the event with me. The event last night was cool. We went to Marion's grand opening. It was really nice. We saw some of our friends there, of course. And it went really nice. It's really cute inside. I thought it was cute inside before, but it's even cuter now. It's like very sultry, very like speakeasy-esque. So I enjoyed it. I enjoyed my time with my friends. So I'm hoping tonight, I mean, it's raining, but the event is supposed to be indoors. I'm just hoping that we get some decent content. Yeah, that's like my only hope for tonight.
Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch, bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down her walls, loose. Hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come comfort me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most, yeah. Pull up and goes, yeah. My diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Yeah, magic with the pretty voodoo.
Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. We are going to get a facial from Silver Mirror. Got a massage yesterday. Got a facial today. I'm like on a roll with this self-care stuff. So
Starting route to 2955 Pone, Sede Leon Boulevard.
we're gonna be a little bit early because I need to get something to eat. I'm trying to do better, like taking care of myself. So it's what, like 8:20 in the morning. So yeah, there's a cute little coffee shop downstairs from the facial place. So I'm gonna stop in there and get probably a matcha and like a croissant, and then I'll get my facial.
And when we're making love,
that facial was so amazing. I got a peel today, a very light glycolic acid peel. My face feels a little bit tight, just a smidge. I'm kind of nervous because I do have an event tonight, and I'm just wondering how that's gonna like affect my skin. But she did say that my skin looks a lot healthier, which I've been drinking so much water, and I've just been trying to pay attention to what I'm eating, not eating like crap, you know, just being really focused on my diet and my goals. So I'm gonna come back in 3 weeks. I think last time I did 4 weeks. So I have another appointment on October the 10th. So yeah, I'm really excited. I think the boys are going to the park today, but I obviously just got a peel. I'm not gonna be attending that. So when I get home, I'm gonna be editing this video that I'm working on right now, and then some of my old vlogs, and I'm just gonna have a chill day until my event tonight. So yeah, I will be coming back when I'm getting ready to go out.